Listen to this track, I'm bringing old school back. This is underground gangster rap. New school rappers can't get that. The lyrical content is so whack. This song is not just music, visualize it. It's kind of a movie, I gotta prove it. Reason why I say I'm better than a lot of rappers in UG. Let me kill them slowly, give me their names, don't mention Moon G. None of these songs are hot. Rap with these shows a lot. I trust the love you in the beginning, but now you're singing get doing can move. What's the industry changing to? That's got my fun set, I'm one of the best. With no regret, my style impress. I suggest next year I'm coming fast. I'm Malcolm X, on street I'm the deepest. Be my guest, I'm restless.
Yes guys, Kodipalieji, the Acholi people and the viewers who are not actually welcome to this video. This is an entertainment vlog. It is about Judah's rap knowledge, who's changed his name to Judah rap knowledge. I always like mistaking, just like other people who still choose to put the S instead of the H. Now
Green made it.
Yeah, the world is ours. His Majesty Records, one of the dangerous factories of manufacturing rhymes and lyrics, come and ask from me illegally.
Again, it's this guy called Khaligraph Jones. We are looking at the similarities, not the difference. No tension in it.
Check it. Jones. Yo, I heard a couple rappers dissing trap music. A substandard rapper, no bars calling trap whack music. I just started a trap movement, so if you went down with them trap beats, I suggest you just move it. For God's sake, why they still debating when my presence alone making feel forsaken? And I wasn't even.
Well, we will look at the top 9 facts or the fun facts about Judah rap knowledge and Khaligraph Jones. Khaligraph Jones hails from Kenya and Judah rap knowledge hails from Uganda. That means the first fact is they're both from East Africa. Now, the second fact is they're both blood of Luo. Khaligraph Jones is a Joluo of Kenya who hails from Nyanza province. And Judah rap knowledge is a Luo of Uganda who hails from Acholi, northern Uganda. Both of these artists came from battle rap or the old school style. They started with the battle, old school, yeah, and then they climbed the ladder. That's the third fact. Now, the fourth fact is both of these artists blew up in 2011, 2012. They became most known in 2011-2012. However much that Khaligraph Jones is more known than Judah due to a higher rate of promotions than Judah, but they all became properly known in 2011-2012. Both of these artists, the fifth fact, the one which is something so nice, both of them were born in 1990. That's a nice thing. Khaligraph Bones in 1990, Judah rap knowledge also in 1990. Now, the sixth fact about Judah and Khali is all these two rappers rap in both their mother tongue and in English language. Judas raps in Acholi and mixes it with also Ogili or English language. The seventh fact is both of these artists represent their hood. Judah represents northern Uganda and Khaligraph represents Kayole. The eighth fact is they both represent or they both have their own record label. Judah Rap Knowledge is having record label well known as Souls of Africa, and then Khaligraph Jones record label is known as Blue Ink. Yes, you need to be very specific to the point. Khaligraph Jones hails from the Blue Ink record label, which is his own, and that is the thing. But Khaligraph is the most successful rapper from East Africa, and the Akbar is Lion of his tribe. So one other thing that we need to know, which is the last, is both of these artists are the best rappers in Africa, are the best hip hop artists in East Africa. Some people may not recognize, Khaligraph is already recognized to a greater extent, but Judah Rap Knowledge is still yet, I can call it disadvantaged, but there is high level of hope that it will push beyond the thorns. You will weather the storm. Just like Lumix said, smashing through barricades. He has been doing this for decades, but recently he realized he has been doing this for a lot of decades. Thank you very much. That was just a joke from a lyrics of Lumix, and we have come to the end of this blog. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.